Hello, today is Tuesday, September the 8th, and I welcome you to the BridgeValley News Update. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to give us a like and a subscribe down below. I hope you had a very happy and safe Labor Day, and I know it was a bit of a strange sight outside seeing school buses going around in my neck of the woods. I know there's been a little bit of confusion whether K through 12 was going back and in what format. So I know this is a little bit unusual week for many of you, but buckle in. We're going to charge right through this and help you get set up for the week. First, I do want to note that our Department of Veteran Affairs will be commemorating the anniversary of September 11th this week, and check your emails. There will be something coming out to mark this occasion. This week, we have some very special guests. I know with most folks remote, it's a little strange not seeing each other, and I want to make sure that you have contact with your Student Government Association. And so this week, we have our President and Vice President, Pam and Daniel, to say a few words.
Hey guys, my name is Pamela Hyde-Wines. I'm your SGA President this year. I just want you to know we have an outstanding staff this year of officers and senators that are ready to get to work for you. Standing right next to me is one of my officers. He's my vice president. His name is Daniel.
Hi guys, I'm Daniel Saunders. I am your Vice President of Marketing and Communications this year.
Thank you, Daniel. I just want to let you know that BridgeValley and its staff and faculty take your safety and COVID very seriously. And we ask for your safety that you wear your face mask and shields. You practice your social distancing. You frequently wash your hands or use the hand sanitizers from the sanitizing stations that are placed around the school. We also use foggers and sanitizers to prepare the rooms before you go in them. We've increased the distance between the desks, so that there are less people per classroom and less chance for your exposure. I know this is a challenging and stressful experience, but we're in this together and we ask for your patience. I'll be sending around surveys, and in these surveys I need your feedback, because this is how we make things better for you and make a better future in the school. And I encourage you to get involved, because when you get involved, you do better in your studies, and all around you're a happier person. I want to let you know that our staff, my officers, and my senators are very happy and eager to work for you, and we're anxious to get this year off to an awesome start. So we hope we make a positive impact on your academic future, encouraging you again to get involved. We hope to see you in some links. Daniel here is going to tell you about some of the things we have upcoming.
Hi guys, so some of the events that we'll be going over this semester virtually is we have a Midterm Madness, and we also will be having a drag show in October, so be on the look for those events. And also I wanted to mention getting involved is a very great thing to be involved with one of the clubs, because it teaches you a lot of skills like time management and great leadership skills.
Just want to close this out and remind you again that our staff and I are here to work for you, and we're eager to get started. If you want to reach any of us, you just can email us, get a hold of us by Teams, or else get a hold of us by Facebook. Again, we look forward to seeing you in our feeds and in our Zoom activities and our different activities that we're hosting virtually. Get involved.
Thank you, Pam. Thank you, Daniel, for those important safety reminders and a nice preview of some of the events coming up this semester. I also want to mention BridgeValley's Got Talent. And I'm sure you're familiar with the TV show and the reality show, and Sarah Price with our Office of Student Life is putting this together to see what our Pathfinders can do. Are you a singer part-time? Do you choreograph? Do you dance? Do you write music? Whatever your talent is, please contact Sarah Price and get it submitted. This month, they're going to be doing Pathfinders Got Talent, so stay tuned for the submissions in that contest. I also quickly want to mention to check your emails. There is going to be a make and take stuffed animal where you can pick up the materials and then make your own BridgeValley stuffed animal with a BridgeValley t-shirt. And you need to get signed up for that because only the first 90 will be able to get the packets. I also want to mention an exciting time in the news this week. Actually, last week, you may have seen us for the Day of Action across Kanawha and Putnam County. And this was taking action against drug overdoses. And this was a big partnership and included the West Virginia Office for Drug Control, the West Virginia Office for Behavioral Health, Marshall University, the Kanawha County Health Department. There were a bunch of partners, BridgeValley included, and our very own Annette Johnson was featured in the news on WOAY Channel 4. And so I hope you've had a chance to take a look. We will put the link in the description box below so you can see the full video. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you have a great week.